how to remove your email on Cash App. If you want to remove your email on Cash App, it's very simple to do so. But the question is, and one thing I would recommend you do is before you remove your current email, make sure to add another email that you have access to. Just in the case you happen to forget something, your email address will help you reset it. So go ahead and then launch Cash App first. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then from here you'll find account and settings, under which again you'll find the option that says personal. So just tap on personal. Now here under contact info you'll find my current email address. But I can choose to add phone or email by tapping on this and adding a secondary email. But before that, I can also choose to remove my current email address by just tapping on it. And if you look at the bottom, it says remove email. So I could go ahead and do that. But just one thing I recommend is before you do that, you can just tap on the add phone email, at least add a mobile number or an email address that you have access to before you remove each and everything, which will not let Cash App know that you are the owner of the account. And I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.